Okay, so how do you separate the even numbers from the odd numbers in a list on Desmos? Let's say that list is the numbers or integers 1 to 100. Well, you get the even numbers by writing S, okay, and by leaving this condition over here. That is, mod 1 to 102 is equal to 0. That's because when you divide the even numbers by 2, you get a remainder of 0. Okay, so this is how to get the even numbers in this list. If you want the odd numbers, then you write S, and you leave this condition over here. Mod 1 to 102 is equal to 1. That's because when you divide the odd numbers by 2, you get a remainder of 1. Okay, so this is a quick way to separate the even numbers from the odd numbers in a list on Desmos. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you tune in to this channel. Thanks for watching.